Good morning, YouTube. I'm gonna try out my first moto vlog today. I don't know, I wouldn't necessarily call it a moto vlog, but trying out the new setup, let's put it that way. Trying out the Purple Panda mic with the GoPro adapter. I've tried to make this video probably like, I don't know, 3-4 times already. And had some issues because I was only using the media mod for the Hero 10. And come to find out, that doesn't work. You can't just plug the Purple Panda into the media mod. You need the adapter, which I thought so at first, but I heard some people have done it with just the media mod, and I already had it, so I was like, let me try that. And yeah, it didn't work. The mic overloads the input, the audio input, so it crackles and pops and does all sorts of stupid stuff. It just sounds really bad, even at a standstill. I thought it was wind noise at first, but I thought maybe I routed it in my helmet bad, but nah, it's just not good. So I went and got the external mic, and this is actually the first time I'm trying it, so I'm hoping it works out good too. I'm hoping it doesn't crackle and pop and do all kinds of stupid stuff. So just a quick ride around town. Oh, I love when they do this. Weather has been terrible in California. Snow, rain, wind, freezing temps. I think the last ride I did was Palomar. It was a really nice day, and since then it's just been nothing but rain. We got a little bit of snow. I went out to Chuckwalla for round 5 of the CVMA racing. I got some footage there, but I didn't ride. I didn't do the track day. The track day was Friday before, and the weather was terrible that day, of course, so I didn't do the track day. But and then I was set to do a track day this weekend, and I got sick, and I think the weather's pretty bad still up there. There's like snow everywhere. It's gonna be really cold. I would have still won, I think, but I got sick. Been sick for about a week, but starting to get over it, but still not 100%. Definitely not enough to put up with cold temperatures at a track day. So track experience was really cool, and they moved my ticket to the next Willow Springs event, which is in April, so I'm gonna be going to that. So that'll be awesome. That was really awesome of them to do that. Shout out Track Experience. Yeah, I'm gonna try to hit up Chuckwalla for round 6. Try and do the track day before the race weekend. which would be Apex Assassins. It'll be Friday the 24th. It'll be Friday the 24th of March. Really want to do that. I mean, you can see all the snow on the mountains, maybe. I don't know if you can see all that up there, but those mountains are covered in snow. Like, it's crazy. Like, there's no part of that mountain that's not covered in white. It's freaking crazy. Like, we get snow in California, don't get me wrong, in the mountains and everything, but not like we have, not like this. Not like we have the past couple weeks or about a month, I don't know. Anyway, I'm hoping this records really good. I'm hoping the sound's really good. I'm hoping to, you know, add this to the rides. I don't really talk much when I ride, so there's not going to be a ton of moto vlogging going on, but I want the sound to be nice and crisp, the sound of the bike. Way less wind noise, should be. And yeah, maybe you guys can get a little glimpse of what I'm thinking. I think this is a turn lane. I hope that wasn't a cop. People just drive too slow sometimes, man. Too slow. Woohoo! That wasn't good. I don't trust not one of these freaking cars, dude. I think the more you ride, I think, clearly, the more you hate cars. The more you learn all the bad crap that can happen, and how these fools like don't pay attention, they don't give a crap. Like that. Like, whether they can fit or not, they're gonna go. That's reserved for bikes. Front row parking, boys.